a combination of coconut and jaggery, which is like a type of sugar. It's what we're going to stuff into our glutinous rice.
Yeah. Ya, I drop off nanti keluar sini juga kan?
Ya, sini saja, sini.
Okay.
Dalam sampai dulu.
Alright. It's over here.
It's here?
Yeah, yeah.
Hi guys, we're here at LaZat Cooking School. We're about to have a crash course in Malaysian cooking. Hope you guys enjoy it as much as I do. I'm so excited. So we just filled out our forms, basically to tell them our dietary requirements. We eat everything as long as it's halal, inshallah. So very soon we'll join them and we're going to start the cooking class. Are you excited, Habibi?
I am.
Yeah?
You're ready to cook.
Sorry?
You're ready to cook, I am.
Yeah, that's good. Thank you.
Oh, you got a video camera too. Look at that.
Yes.
After enjoying our tea, we dived right into our entree. Today we're making some wheat kara berluk. This is a savory Malaysian pancake. We got seated and got straight into preparing our mise en place, starting with slicing some shallots, spring onions and red chilies.
Curry powder to the meat.
Yep.
So you probably put like about 1.5 spoon of this and you just add
Okay,
it.
sure.
And then you just use this spoon to mix it, yeah?
No problem. So 1 enough.
Okay, yeah.
1.5, right?
1.5.
Up next, we marinated our chicken mince with some beautiful Malaysian curry powder
smells really nice,
and
doesn't
salt.
it? Sure. Just cover this. Set that aside.
You have here some flour, just some plain flour.
Yep.
You can pour the flour into your mixing bowl.
Okay.
Making the pancake batter was fairly straightforward. We added all the ingredients into one bowl and whisked it until it was smooth.
This is all-purpose flour?
All-purpose flour.
Okay. Yep.
So for a bit of coloring and a bit of flavoring, we do put in a teeny weeny bit of turmeric powder.
Yeah.
Just like this much. But if you like it more yellow, you can put a bit more, yeah?
Okay. Sure. Like turmeric. Here.
And salt, teeny weeny bit. Okay, don't put too much because we have this one, which is the dried shrimp, which is a bit salty.
It's fermented?
It's dried shrimp.
It's dried shrimp. Okay.
Added salt to yours.
Yep. Thank you. Just a little bit?
Yep. So the recipes will be emailed to you.
Oh, fantastic.
After the class. So afterwards, I just got to check your email because I want it to be clear written because sometimes we cannot read your writing.
Okay.
You will not receive our recipe.
No worries. Looking forward to it.
Okay, so Australia shouldn't be a problem because there are a lot of Asian stalls. So whatever ingredients we use today,
You can easily find it.
Find them. Yeah.
Yes.
Okay. So next, what do? We take the whisk. Can you give it a good mix?
Okay. We use a lot of dry anchovies and shrimp in our cuisine back home as well.
Oh, I see.
Yeah. So these flavors are very familiar.
So, and can you? This is coconut milk. This is fresh coconut milk.
Okay.
Pour it in there.
Sure.
An egg each into your batter. Yeah. And because we don't want to waste coconut milk,
Yes.
we just put 2 tablespoons of water in here.
It's precious.
It's very precious. Yeah. So we swirl and we mix it in there. Yeah?
Yep.
So this is fresh. Normally, because in Malaysia we can find it fresh.
Yep.
So we try as far as possible to use fresh coconut milk.
Lovely.
But of course, at home you can buy your can or in Tetra Pak.
Sure.
And because can or Tetra Pak coconut milk tastes slightly different from
It does.
fresh one. Yeah.
Everything that's been packaged just
Yes.
it's not the same.
It's got a lot of preservatives in there.
That's
already.
right.
Yeah. So give it a good stir.
Yeah. You don't want any lumps in there?
There will be lumps because remember you have the shrimps.
Oh yes, yes.
So it cannot be a fine,
Smooth paste.
texture.
Okay. How's it going? Ooh, looks good, looks good.
So now what you need to do is to transfer all the things we will go there
Yep.
and get your filling done, we get the muffin done. Yep.
Sure.
So we bring everything there. So I will
Okay.
just help you with this.
No worries.
So what we need to do now is to do the filling. So this little gadget here.
Can I take a picture of
No, come with me.
Okay. Let me come around.
A little bit of oil. Don't put too much. Yeah? Maybe about 1 tablespoon of oil.
Yep.
So can you all do that now?
Yes, sure. Do you have a spoon to measure or just eyeball it?
Just eyeballing it. Yeah.
1 tablespoon.
I'm sure you people cook at home all the time, right?
We do.
Yeah. Yeah. Okay, that should be enough. Okay, now you can put your onions in. So we don't want to brown the onions, we only want to soften it. Yeah. Once you can smell your onions, it's time to put in your meat.
Okay.
Okay. Once the meat goes in, please break it up a bit. Yeah.
Sure.
Ini pun ada garam sikit. Ya.
That smells so good.
Yeah, it smells good,
I
right?
feel like the Malaysian curry powder is so unique on its own. It's very different from what's readily available. Yes, it's so fragrant.
So we have 2 types of curry powder.
Okay.
One is for meat and one is for seafood.
Oh.
Oh yeah.
So what's the difference in
There
the
is,
blend?
I think in seafood there are lesser spices.
Okay.
In meat there are more spices.
More spices.
Cannot remember the combination.
All right. Wow. That's
So once the meat is cooked, just put in a bit of seasoning. You can just put a pinch of salt, depending
Sure.
on how much. You want to pour the whole tub in, I leave it up to you.
okay.
I actually like salt.
Oh, you ready? Alright.
This is sugar?
Yeah, sugar. Use this.
Okay.
Just
Thank
use
you.
a pinch of salt.
Sure.
Okay. So once your meat is ready, you can put them in here.
All right.
Okay. Okay.
Thank you.
So can you put your batter into your jug?
Okay. Sure. Oh, that's so pretty. It looks like a master pan.
So the whole idea is to make sure we've done some work for you. Actually, we have oiled the mold. So put it on
Okay.
the stove.
Yeah.
So you have to make sure the pan is hot. If it's not hot enough, it will not come out later. Okay? So we will wait for that.
Sure.
So next is, I just run through with you, yeah?
Yeah.
So we will pour the batter into the pan, 3/4 full. You fill it up with your filling. Then you sprinkle this on top. Can you give it a good mix between the green and the red? That's because it gives you a bit more color. So once the pan is hot enough, pour the batter into the mold, about 3/4. Put the chicken meat in there, and then put this on top, and then you cover with this.
Okay. So we're waiting a minute or so?
We will feel the heat. Normally it's like, it's difficult to tell you how many minutes because, you know,
You have to just gauge it, right?
Yeah. So can I just show you one?
Yeah, sure.
The rest.
No worries.
Can I use yours or? What we will do is like,
Some chicken. Okay.
can I use my hands? I washed my hands already. Like this. So you do that for all. Okay?
All right.
Can you please continue?
Sure.
Is it hot enough?
I think so.
Yeah, it's hot enough.
Yep. So I'm gonna pour some in there.
3/4 way.
Okay.
Yeah, that's enough, yeah. You fill up the entire
The
thing.
entire pan? Okay.
It's easier that way.
Sure.
Then they all cook at the same time.
Same time.
Yeah.
Maybe doesn't it remind you of masa?
It does.
We make some rice cakes with something similar like this in Ghana.
Okay.
Okay, I think it's probably what make one. Okay. I think it's quite hot.
It's lower the heat, yeah.
Yeah.
Khalifa is going to love this.
I reckon you will. Bro, I gotta catch up with you, man. I said you're so fast. I gotta catch up with you. This would be nice for like breakfast too.
Now we're done. Close it. And wait for it to cook. And we will finish by topping it with a bit of fried shallots. Yeah.
Okay.
Yes. Yeah. Sure, yes. So this is your plate.
Chef Bassett.
It should be on the way. We will give you a takeaway bag later. You can have the tea, yeah.
No.
No? Yeah, yours is. I think. Okay, let's go for full blast, but keep an eye. Yeah. Okay. You know what? Because there's a slight breeze, and your fire is not very strong.
No worries. Yours were delicious. Bismillah. Mine needs a little bit more salt, so I think you went okay with the salt.
What you like?
Sure. Thank you. Yeah. So this is a combination of coconut and jaggery, which is like a type of sugar. It's what we're going to stuff into our glutinous rice.
Yeah.
It's really, really sweet. But at the same time, it's quite lovely, and I think it's going to balance really well with the glutinous rice that's not sweetened. I'll give you guys an honest review soon.
Hui koki was a dessert part of our class, and we started making that before we made the main dish, in order to give it ample time to steam and get ready. To begin with, we got our banana leaves and added a bit of oil onto them with our fingers to avoid the glutinous rice from sticking to the banana leaf. We then concealed the coconut mixture with the glutinous rice and proceeded to roll it into a ball. This then goes onto the banana leaf, and then we add some sweetened syrup and fold it into envelopes before steaming.
If you just roll the rest up. This is a bit very nice.
Our lovely instructors demonstrated a very fun way to remember the steps when it comes to folding these envelopes.
Okay, so first date. First date. And then the second date.
It's great mochi. You can find it almost everywhere. This is a very popular dessert.
This way.
Here, you want to take this home, right?
Oh, that's all right. I think we have enough of that.
You sure?
Yes, thank you.
Yours is here. You have to decide which one you are. Which team are you? Team fork or team spoon?
How are you going?
One is incorrect.
Yeah, I forgot to roll up my fingers before I put it in. Do you have grandchildren?
These ones are mine and these ones are hubby's.
Our desserts were steamed over hot water, and once they were ready, we were able to enjoy them nice and warm.
Yeah, it's a bit like mochi. Japanese mochi.
I like the coconut part.
It's an experience.
So you know how to tell when it's cooked or not.
I hope you enjoyed part 1 of our experience with LaZat cooking. Stay tuned for part 2, where we make mee goreng mamak.
It's spicy. It's okay.
Maybe a little too much for me.
Okay. And just use a little bit. Okay.
I do it.
Forward to your station.
So good.